It's Picadillo today, but with a twist. Not straight to the recipe, but we use what we have in the kitchen. My guests enjoyed it. You too will like it as well. Please join me at my small kitchen for some learning and fun here at Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow, cook, and share. Hi. Good morning. I don't usually use olive oil for this stir fry. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's Picadillo today, and usually Picadillo calls for potato. We don't have that. That's why we are featuring our harvest of chayote. In fact, look, they begin to sprout. Yeah, I'll be bringing this entire batch to the fundraising tomorrow. I'll be selling them for a good cause. Okay, now back to our recipe. It's Picadillo. In some regions they would call this Picadillo. They would even call it sometimes in other regions as Picadillo, Picadillo. Picadillo, Picadillo, all accepted. But let's respect the spelling, it's Picadillo, double L. Let's start. By the way, what do we need? Instead of tomatoes, as I've earlier mentioned, I'll be using chayote, which I already prepped. We need this, carrots, beef, and it's ground beef, by the way, and the usual onions and garlic, which I will now place. Okay. It also calls for tomato, but I don't have it completely. Just a half I have here. So we're using my canned tomato, also from my harvest, featuring my harvest of this year. It's been canned for, I think, 6 months already. And look, it preserved well. It's beautiful in color. It's bright. And I might as well open it. See? It's well sealed. Beautiful. Let's discard the water. We don't need that. Beautiful tomato. I think it's caramelized now. We'll add the garlic. By the way, if you are interested in the original recipe, which calls for potato, the recipe is here, and also in the description box. Again, it's Picadillo. Do you know that there are variations for this recipe? In Puerto Rico, they also have this. But we're not cooking the Filipino version. I'll add the beef now. Let's just wait until it turns brown. I mean, no longer pink. Okay. Do you think it's already brown? Yeah, I think so. We can add the carrots and the rest of the ingredients. What is first? I'll add this first. Tomato. Okay. It should have been finely chopped. Since it's been pre-cooked, it's easy to break. Look, it just breaks easily. And then this one's the carrots. And this. All this together. How about that color? You might ask, why Chayote? The beauty of using Chayote is it absorbs any flavor you add it to. It can even be sweet. I have a dish, it's Chayote dessert here, also down, which was successful. Chayote, sweet Chayote. I said successful, yes, because I brought it to the potluck at the office, and everyone loved it. Even our cameraman loved it. I think I forgot to add. Let's add some. If you, for more intense flavor, we just a few drops of this during the stir fry, which I failed to do today. I don't know. 1 tablespoon would not hurt. And then the color, the soy sauce. That should be enough. 1 tablespoon as well. Salt and pepper.
I mean 1 teaspoon.
Are we done? Almost. We add this. Raisins gives it sweet flavor. More space there for your viewing pleasure. Look at that. Simple dish. Let's cover it. Where's my lid? Ah, it's not there. Here. Ta-da! We're not finished here. This needs paprika or pepper, and I have been frozen. Also frozen from my harvest. Look at those frozen. Let's add them. Good. Beautiful combination. They're not cut for the purpose, but it's not the end of the world. In fact, the chayotes are cut slightly bigger than usual for a picadillo, but we're after the flavor. Picadillo reinvented. Let's cover it once again. After 5 minutes, this should be good, I'm sure. Look, I did not add water. By the way, it's been 3 minutes since we left it. My experience is frozen vegetables contain more water than the fresh ones. The ice crystals, of course, produce water. Two more minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Look at what we have. This is our version of Picadillo, using chayote instead of potato. Let's taste it. Honestly, I miss the flavor of potato, but this is still Picadillo, and we're using what we have, which is generously Chayote. This can be served with rolls or with rice. Thank you for joining me here today. I'd like to see you again next time as we grow, cook and share.